I couldn't in good conscience get up this morning and put on clothes and say that I'm going to work. Not after that bomb that Nigeria dropped on us yesterday. When teachers were getting $2 million per year plus allowances, the PM was getting $9 million plus allowances. And due to the restructuring of salaries, teachers are now getting $2.5 million per year, no allowances, and they moved the PM's salary to $28 million over the 3 years. Teachers got $30,000. Well, I got $30,000 over a 3-year period. And the PM and other members of parliament are getting $19 million. Isn't that disgraceful? Nigel is saying he wants to attract the best minds, the brightest minds. I am one of the brightest minds in this country right now. When I was at UWI in 2011, I did not score not even a single B. I got straight A's. I graduated with a master's with distinction. I am one of the brightest minds, and they give me $30,000 over 3 years, and giving some dunce counselors who don't even have CXC $12 million. I am no longer patriotic. I no longer care about nation building. I will never, unless this changes, I will never sing another line out of the national anthem. I will never say another pledge in Jamaica. The only line I will say in this anthem is, deliver us from evil powers. This cannot be justice. We cannot, as a country, sit down and allow this to continue. We cannot. We should not allow this government to take us and turn us into some puppet show. Our own country. Jamaica, at this we come to.
And I tell me hotel worker, and the government know exactly what them are do. Let me put it this way, yeah. The government of Jamaica plan exactly how to scam and thief taxpayers' money. So, if you not make it look too bad, years upon years upon years upon years, every single year, the Jamaican citizens cry out for an increase in minimum wage. Government, they say no, they can't increase minimum wage at this point in time because it will turn away investors from the country. Good. I feel them excuse at one point, until taxi man start leak out, so them need a fair increase. Remember, every single citizens of Jamaica who decide to work hard and work honestly to feed them little bit, they have to fight, they have to curse, and they have to be violent physically. Forget even 3% of what them said them want. So take for instance, taximan said they need a 5% fare increase, or they need a 10% fare increase. If they mention it 2023 that they need a fare increase, even up until 2027, they still not get it. And if them not get violent and start block road and burn tire and burn oil fridge, the government no listen to them cry. And when all those violence start exposed to the country, then the government say, all right, here what? We now going to give you 10%, we can't do that. The consumers, the passengers who have to go to work, it pressure them too much. You understand? So we go on 3%. That are the best we can do. And then further down, we think of something else to make things better, good. And that them do. Same thing with minimum wage. Same exact thing. People cry to get an increase, brother. You understand? All right. So now, when them finally decide, say, them go give a citizen an increase for minimum wage, that time they all thief them sit down and plan long time, you know. Say, all right, if we not give, if people them are increasing a minimum wage, and then we know go take 200%. Remember, you know, I like about 3%. They might give them in citizen, you know, increase, you know, 3% increase, you know. So 3% in minimum wage increase for the citizen of Jamaica. And them don't have them plan, the thief them have them plan long time, say, all right, we are give them 3%, but we are take 200. And ears the people them the ball and a fight to get that 3% there. And a 3% they want, you know. But that government said they can give them. Investors ball and say anyhow the government give the increase in minimum wage to what the people them ask for. A lot of businesses go pull out of Jamaica. Those were the saying that going around. So it's like the government did get threatened then by investors. You understand? So who is going to threaten these government, these thieves? Who is going to threaten them and tell them, say, they can't take 200%? They not even forget one increase, brother, because they sit down in a parliament and no matter how people they ball and ask for help, people now get no help. No matter how people they ball and ask for help, you the America, you the Canada, or you have family members, anybody who live in Jamaica, have family members live overseas, and family members hear the cries of them family back home and decide, say, all right, you know what? You know, so my brother and my sister, them are having hard to go to supermarket because rice, flour, everything gone up. So, you know what? Me go pack a barrel and send it home. Yo, remember me tell you, if the family member no have one 6 grand or one 10 grand in a pocket, for go down a wharf, go get a barrel there. Remember me tell you, you can't get it. So you have to pack the barrel, pay for shipping, and you turn around, send that money there. Go give your family member to go clear the barrel. You understand? In a pretty and a better rose. And a better rose down the pan poor people. Poor people have it easy at Jamaica, brother. But 6 and 1, half dozen at the other. You see, we, as black people, we don't unite. Jamaicans do not unite together. No form of unity is among Jamaicans. So, guess what? The good always have suffer for the bad. You see, all of these things, all of these push around, all of these trample, all of these crushing our head, busted and every kind of wound what the Jamaicans them they experience from government. The Jamaican citizens, all of the wounds, chop and everything we can think of, every different kind of wound, what these people they experience from government and them cause it on themselves because they have been sitting down and taking these things all the while and they now stand up on them 2 foot and fight for what they want. You see when government get up and do all of these things, I take 200% salary increase for sit down in a parliament and they look and they make plan to shove up injection and poison on the black people's skin, the one Jamaicans them brother. The leaders of the country, that's the only thing them sit down and do plan of it destroy each other. And the Jamaican people them now stand up. Them now stand up for what they want. You see if them not stand up, any other them stand up, them would have get justice. But it now will happen because there is no unity among us all. When we think about these things, genuine, it hurt me. It hurt me, brother. Right now, me I tell you the honest truth. Yo, me have my place down there, Bill, and me love my country, and would I like go home and go enjoy my country. Would I like take a visit. But good God Almighty, man. Jano. Yo, it don't look good. It don't look good, brother. It don't look good. You know, seven times I contact my friend. When I contact my friend on my yard, you know, and ask her, say, what they going in the parliament? And what they going in the country with the government raise and rare and yo, you know, say, fear increase where she get pan fear pay, brother. Fear increase, you know, where she get pan fear pay, you know, when minimum wage go up at the end. Yes, she already they get above the minimum wage because at hotel she a work. You know how much increase she get pan fear pay? 30 Jamaican dollar. 30 Jamaican dollar. But right now, if you're there Jamaica, or you even have $100 in your pocket, you can't go nowhere. You can't even go in a taxi. $30. So take for instance, if every hotel worker get 30, I know US me they talk about, you know. Sure, brown dog, you might think a US me they, a 30 Jamaican dollar me I talk about, you know. 30 Jamaican dollar. Which part them I go with that? 30 Jamaican dollar. Say each hotel worker get a increase, salary increase of 30 Jamaican dollar. And government they take 200%. Where they go up by how much millions? Yo, I burn if people them shouldn't even gonna work. The country should have locked down already. But as me tell you, it go happen over and over again. Cause they now unite.
Watch it, I tell you, make my heart hurt, my brother. Because you talk about how Jamaica tough already, you know. I tell you, say, if you work any little job, you know, and you have a jump on a taxi, you know, you spend on average per week $3,000 just for taxi fare, you know, average. Because some people pay more, some pay less. Per week. So for the month, you look on 12 grand alone in a taxi fare. Not even talk about lunch. The taxi man never not make enough money. So just right, it's the little people nah do well, and the little man and them spend the most money every single time. If them give the little man the kind of increase so them give themselves, the country flourish. because as soon as they get it, they spend it. They have to spend it, they can't keep it. But them people here, I keep so much money for themselves. I tell you, them not have to spend it back. And if they do spend it, they spend it to some other country, develop their country then. And Jamaica suffer. Now, the worst part, more than anything else, the fact say, the Prime Minister wife is a member of Parliament. The Prime Minister is a member of Parliament. In a Portland, you have Darrell Vaz and his wife, member of Parliament. Them household they alone. Between them two households they alone, every year them get $100 million. Think about that.